Hello? DJ, you're crazy. I want to go on. Everything good? I'm sorry. I want to go on.
Welcome to Lock3d TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Anyone there, all about love and blessings. You know, we say give thanks to life, health and strength. Though anyone there, just guidance and protection, you know. Be safe out there.
Yeah, we saw the next come on. Your mother good? Talk to me, no man. How the mother start?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, I don't know, it's solely about Majah hype. You know what I mean? I have just discovered that he has been arrested. Yes, for some previous actions with him ex Kirby. You see me? Yes, I did a research. I'm see most of the article them I say are the same thing. He's been charged for felony, for ongoing felony and battery and all and kidnapping and you know. Yeah, and me I say John was star. You know look good, you know what I mean? And it look like say since the breakup and his finding out what she was up to, him life just has become a mess. When you see him look at skits them and him comedian and them thing that him still not happy. Is it my viewers and subscribers?
Me ask her if she's a snake on the grass. Me tell her say me she asleep with the boss. She swears I lion take good over the grass and say who tell them fix it.
Yeah man, so I don't know. Song a chip in chip out, Yvonne give me bun. My song I don't know. I think it's relevant to this vlog. So I beg you to please go and check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Yeah man, it released last month now, is it? Yeah man, I don't know. I love and respect, you know. And before we get into the reasoning, the viewers and subscribers, let me just clearly say this: we don't support no form of violence against women, nor child, nor kids, nor men. That's what I say. Peace and love we deal with it. Is it? More time lion foot talk and burn the fire and talk very harshly, but that doesn't mean I'm a violent person. Sometimes we have to just reason raw and speak the truth, and some people don't like to hear the truth. Them say, you know, yeah, but I saw lion foot talk. That doesn't mean lion foot is a violent person. If me say shot will bust, man fire shot for this, I fight for that. You see me? I just reality. You see it? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, Majah hype has been arrested. Zine. And I run through several articles. I must say it's not the first he has been arrested for the same incident in different Atlanta, Georgia and outside of Atlanta. Zine, yes, I'm going to run through our next little piece of article. I'm going to see what I want. I must say more time, John no star. Sometimes a woman can be a man downfall, you know, and a man can be a woman downfall. Sometimes you're blind to love, and when you love, and so me I say, yeah, make you do stupid things and taking for granted. You see me? I'm not condoning what Majah hype did if he did it. You know what I mean? The battery and kidnapping, and I know say them did a fight in 2001 when Majah hype found out about her cheating and them thing there, you know, and him see video footage with you know, you know when I talk already, the oral thing there, you see me? You clean the rifle and all of them things there. As a man or a fiancé or whatever, you're gonna feel hurt and, you know what I mean, disgruntled and disrupted in yourself, you see me?
Never find out say a true one and I. So why she get cheap? But now know why. I must have true me say me now never put it by. I am made him and I am not that guy.
So, and to be honest, she was more the aggressor. The way she da deal with the thing like mash up the place and fling and mash up car and all of them things. And Majah hype took it, he took it well. Someone would have done worse than what he did. You know what I mean? If he did those things to the extreme, that doesn't mean I'm condoning what he did. You see me? No, but as me say, someone would have done worse than what he did to her. And you know, we don't support violence against women, but it's just the reality. Is it my viewers and subscribers? But you know America is a woman country. See them like England, a woman country. And when you're right as the man, you're going to wrong for the Babylon. Now the Babylon eyes, you're going to be the wrong man, wrong. You're going to be the guilty one, you know what I mean? The bad person. You see me? Yeah. Really, you see the man them get justice. Like some of the man them know, when them say things are going on, and the woman them take disadvantage of them, what them do is make sure go report it, and sometimes them call police on them woman, you see me?
Every day when she said she gotta work, and don't Kirk, she got link up with Kirk. She don't start me feel good up my head. So you not beat her? No, so we back up and split. Yeah,
you see, which is the right thing. Because if you stay quiet and silent, you are going to look like the bad one. So, you get me from my viewers and subscribers. So, this is what the article say. You see it? Yeah. This is not the comedian's first arrest in Georgia. Majah was previously arrested in January 2021 following an incident involving his ex-girlfriend, Kirby Farrell. At the time, he was charged with kidnapping, making terroristic threats, and simple battery. He later bonded out of bail on a $15,000 bond. Still, the comedian also spent some time behind bars at the Cherokee County Adult Detention Center outside Atlanta for the same incident. You see, my viewers and subscribers, yeah.
The swear say she was the one, and she been in a blood to give the way the bad. She give up and give me to the dollar.
So as you see, this has been haunting, terrorizing Majah Hype. It's like a cloud around his head, you know. When I see him out there like him happy, really and truly he is not. Maybe him knows that this day was gonna come where he's gonna be arrested again and charged. You know what I mean? And you have some women, they can be very vicious, cruel, you know, spiteful, deceitful. You know what I mean? Likewise, you have some man too, you see me, but the woman them more, you see it? Yeah, and it's like, you know, she never stopped till she wrecked him because since the happenings, he has lost, you know, over 1 million fans on his Instagram, even though that's just fans, you know what I mean? So that's once you have life, that are the greatest, but he has lost a huge fan base and 1 million. It takes a lot to achieve 1 million followers fan base, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, you know, innocent until proven guilty, and he did put his hand on her, and you know, we don't support violence against women. He did put his hand on her, you see me, but maybe I don't know to the extreme as how she made it sound, but this blog is just to say, you know, if the relationship now work, walk away, and sometimes you're blind by love, you know, you're fooled by love. You see me, I say, sometimes you love the person, and them now give you back the same energy. You put out 100 and them I give 50 or even 30. You see me? Vice versa. So, you know, lion foot policy, if the relationship not working, walk away. Don't put your hands on her. Don't put your hands on him. Because there gonna be consequences and a price to pay. You see, my viewers and subscribers. But I hope the general, I hope Majah Hype overcome this and, you know, him drop a road, or as I say, if him guilty, him to do the time, and I mean, if him innocent, him for forward, you see me? Yeah, and that's just my honest input and feedback on the whole situation, you know what I mean? Yes, it's not a nice feeling, not a good look. You get to me, I say my viewers and subscribers, but let me know what you think, see? Yeah, man, please remember, check out the song, Yvonne Give Me Bun, you know what I mean? You should learn to walk away, see? Don't forget to like and share the content. And it's available on all digital platforms, I don't know. Thank you all for your continuous support. It's highly appreciated as usual, see? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. And let me know what you think in the comment section, man, if you agree with me or disagree. Let's have a look at reasoning about the whole situation, you know what I mean? I know a lion foot with another vlog, I will do it when I boast and I brag. Big up on yourself. God bless us all. I'm out. Not another word out, Tommy. I'm out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.